Lesson 1. Greeting and getting to know each other. Welcome to Fluent Ease English, where you practice listening, speaking, and reflexes to make English a natural skill, just like your mother tongue. Today's lesson is about greeting and getting to know each other. After this lesson, you will be able to use common greetings like hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ask and answer. How are you? Naturally. Respond with phrases like I'm fine, I'm good, nice to meet you. Say goodbye politely with see you later, take care, long time no see. These phrases are simple but very powerful. You can use them every day with friends, family, or even strangers. Let's get started. Mini story, a day full of greetings. It is a sunny day. Anna walks to the park. She feels happy. She sees her friend John. Anna smiles and says, "Hello, John. Hello, how are you today?" John answers, "Hi, Anna. I'm good, thank you. How are you?" Anna replies, "I'm fine too. Good morning. Did you sleep well?" John nods. "Yes, good morning. I sleep very well." They walk together. Soon they see Tom. Anna waves and says, "Good afternoon, Tom. Nice to see you." Tom smiles and says, "Good afternoon, friends. Nice to meet you, Anna. Nice to see you too, John." John laughs and says, "Good evening, Tom. How was your day?" Tom replies, "My day is good. Thank you. How are you, John?" John says again, "I'm good. Thank you." Anna says, "Hey, long time no see." Tom laughs, "Yes, long time no see. It has been many months." John adds, "But now we are together again. That's great." They walk and talk for a long time. They enjoy the sunshine, the trees, and the air. Anna looks at her watch and says, "Okay, I must go now. Bye. See you. You later." John waves, "Bye, Anna. Take care." Tom smiles, "Yes, take care. See you later." Anna walks away. She thinks, greetings are simple, but they make people happy. Saying hello, good morning, or even long time no see makes life better. Now it's time for the mini story Q&A. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. A day full of greetings. Mini story. Q&A. It is a sunny day. Anna walks to the park. Who walks to the park? Anna. Anna walks to the park. Does Anna walk to the park or to the school? To the park. She walks to the park. Is the day sunny or rainy? Sunny. It is a sunny day. She sees her friend John. Who does Anna see? John. She sees John. Does she see John or Tom? She sees John. Is John her friend? Yes, John is her friend. Anna says, "Hello, John. How are you today?" What does Anna say? "Hello, John. How are you today?" Does Anna say hello or goodbye? She says hello. Does she ask about today? Yes, she asks about today. John answers, "I'm good. Thank you. How are you?" What does John say? "I'm good. Thank you. How are you?" Is John good or bad? He is good. Does John also ask Anna a question? Yes, he asks, "How are you?" Soon they see Tom. Anna says, "Good afternoon, Tom. Nice to see you." Who do Anna and John see? Tom. They see Tom. What does Anna say to Tom? "Good afternoon, Tom. Nice to see you." Does Anna say good morning or good afternoon? She says good afternoon. Tom says, "Nice to meet you, Anna. Nice to see you too, John." Who does Tom say nice to meet you? Anna. He says nice to meet you, Anna. Does Tom also greet John? Yes, he says nice to see you too, John. Anna says, "Hey, long time no see." What does Anna say? Long time no see. Does Anna say long time no see to Tom or to John? To Tom. At the end, Anna says, "Bye, see you later." What does Anna say at the end? Bye, see you later. Does Anna leave or stay? She leaves. What do John and Tom say to Anna? Great job. You have just finished today's lesson about greeting and getting to know each other. Now you can say hello, ask how are you, reply naturally, and say goodbye with confidence. Keep practicing every day, and these phrases will become automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so you never miss new lessons. See you in the next class. Bye, take care.